Hello guys, welcome to another episode. I'm your host, yours truly, SD Music, bringing you good tidings and loads of positive energies. Before we get started, I just want to use this privilege to thank all those that have subscribed to the channel. Thank you. If you're new to the channel, please click the subscribe button and also click the like button on the video. Today we're going to be looking at this Afro fusion type beats, so let's get started. Alright, altogether we have 15 patterns, so I'm just going to go through it one at a time. The first one is the kick, as you can see right now. Then the second one, another kick. I'm not sure if I used this one. I think I was making something at the time. Okay, this one is from Flex. You can have this if you have the latest version of FL Studio, comes with it. Number 4, we have the bass. It's kind of a dark bass, just to give it some feel. You can see I use Toxic Bizarre. People don't know, guys. People don't usually use this stuff, but I like making my music using stock plugins. Sine bass from Nexus. You can have a look. See, I have this legato effect on it to give it some slide, as it's sine bass right there. And number 6, we have the 808s. As you can see right now, this is what I've played on the patterns. I think I have 2 variations of 808s. This is the second variation because the verse 1 of the song and the verse 2 have kind of a little bit of slightness. You're gonna hear in a bit how I put all of them together to make a song. Okay, this one is another version of the 808s. Maybe something else I was trying to make. We're gonna listen to it in the jiffy. Then number 9 is the percussion. As you can see, Afro beats flavor, you must have percussions in there. Take notes. Then we go to number 10. We have the snare. Just nothing crazy, just simple. Then number 11, we have the muted bass guitar. I use the amp bass plugin to make this one. Moving on, number 12, we have the chord, which I played using the Key Classic VST, Key Zone Classic VST. It's just nothing crazy. I'm just trying to spice it up a little bit. Then we'll go to number 13, where I have 2 synths playing. The first one is from Flex. There's something crazy on the verse 2 of the song. You're gonna hear it soon. Then number 14, we have just a chord played by this Flex, also trying to create some kind of variation in the patterns. Then number 15, I have something also played on Flex. Not so crazy, just to make the beat a little bit fuller. Then I think that's it. Now we're gonna move to the arrangement of the beats. Let's go. Alright, setting up the patterns. I started from this loop you're listening to right now. I got the loop from Vernish Beats, Aftermath's loop kits. You guys should check it out. Vernish Beats is a musical producer on YouTube. Then next we have the chord, which I've consolidated, as you can see right there, just to create space on my system. Next to that we have this bass, kind of muted bass, played on upper octave to remove the wobbling, but to remove the sub, you can say that. Then after the bass we have this trumpets kind of instruments. I played this using Flex. I showed you this a while ago. After that we have this pad right here, the pad instrument. I've also consolidated this one. It's just a chord I played using the pad instrument, then I consolidated it to create space on my PC. Maybe I can show you how to do that sometime in the future. Moving on, we have the next instrument, which is a shaker. This is the shakers I played using a live instrument, and I recorded it through my microphone and did some effects on it. Then after that we have the percussion. By the way, I'm playing the loudest part of the music, as you can see, which is the chorus part, so it's gonna hit you anytime soon. Alright, then number 10 we have the snare. And then the snare, after the snare we have the kick. Then I believe that after the kick we're gonna have the 808 to go with. Then we have this also. It's a loop I got from Cymatics. I'm just trying to put things up. But this loop, I think I might have made one or two tweaks into it to have it to match with my music. But we're gonna take a look at that some other time. Then after that we have this extra instrument there. As you can hear it's more like a bass, just to go with the whole rhythm of the song. Then I think that's the most of it. Yeah, that's the most of it. Okay, next we're gonna play the whole song. I'm just gonna play verse 2 for you because I have something unique on the verse 2. So let's get to it now. Something today. Please, if you have learned one or two things, drop a comment in the comment section. And if you're new to the channel, please click the subscribe button to follow me. Until I see you next time, peace.